In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Timezone-L1-1-0.Dll error on Windows. This common issue occurs when a particular dynamic link library file, or DLL, is missing or corrupt on your system, and it can be quite a hassle if not handled properly. Let's dive into a straightforward solution, which should take about 5 minutes of your time. First, head over to the official Microsoft website. This is where you'll find the necessary files to resolve this error. Once there, you will need to download the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio, which covers versions 2015 through 2. This package includes a collection of runtime components of Visual C++ libraries, which are required to run applications written in Visual C++. Once you're on the download page, the next step is crucial. You'll need to select the correct file corresponding to your Windows system architecture. This is important because choosing the wrong file may not resolve the issue or could lead to further complications. If your system is 64-bit, go for the vchot-redist file. Alternatively, if you're running a 32-bit system, you'll want to download the vchot-redist.exe6.exe file. Not sure which system type you have? You can find out by right-clicking on this PC or my computer and selecting Properties. Your system type will be listed there. After downloading the appropriate file, you'll need to run the installer. It's a simple process. Begin by launching the downloaded file. A security confirmation window will pop up asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Next, you'll see the setup window. Here, you should read the license terms carefully. Once you've done that, check the box to accept the terms. Now you're ready to click the Install button. The installation process will then begin, which may take a few moments. When the installation completes, the final step involves restarting your computer. This reboot is essential as it allows your system to integrate the newly installed components fully. Once your computer has restarted, the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Timezone-L1-1-0.Dll error should be resolved, and you can continue using your programs without any interruptions. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for a common error that disrupts your workflow. By ensuring all necessary components on your system are up to date and correctly installed, you can prevent this issue from reoccurring. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.